The Shiv Sena has now hit out at ally Congress over publicly raising differences in the alliance. Samna editorial has compared Congress to an old court that's making a lot of noise. In the editorial, in fact, Shiv Sena has said it's an old party with history, but in this court there are many party heavyweights, which is the reason why the old court is making sound. Recently, Congress state head Balasaheb Thorat and Minister Ashok Chavan said that the party expects that Congress ministers must be involved in the decision-making process of the government and that the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray should listen to them. Now, both will be meeting the Chief Minister as they feel bureaucrats are creating problems. Pankaj is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Pankaj, this particular editorial gives you a sense of deja vu. Exactly what used to happen between the Shiv Sena and the BJP is now playing out between the Sena and the Congress.
That's right. Good morning, Akshita. It seems, looking at the present state of affairs, one could say that all is not well with the MVA government. And now, senior Congress party leaders, Revenue Minister Balasaheb Thorat, and former Chief Minister and a Congress party political heavyweight Ashok Chavan openly expressing their displeasure does not go well for this present government. Now, Chavan went on to the extent of saying that the keeping BJP out should not be taken as a weakness of the Congress party. Now, essentially what's really happening is that the Congress party feels that they are being given a secondary treatment. They are not being consulted on policy matters, and the bureaucracy is not helping the Congress party. Now, it's interesting where the article says that these are minor differences. The article prominently names the Chief Secretary of the state and also the Municipal Commissioner of Nagpur, thereby hinting that these are minor differences which could be ironed out. But the article says that the three parties had unanimously chosen the Chief Minister and that his decision is final. Article also says that a big political heavyweight like Sharad Pawar also abides by this rule, and whenever there are certain differences, he meets the Chief Minister and puts forth the suggestion. So it also gives us a warning of sorts that there are many political heavyweights in the party, but also it says they are confident there is no danger to the party.
Okay, Pankaj, thank you for getting us those details of exactly what's the Shiv Sena's opinion really in its editorial in Samna, where they've referred to Congress as an old court.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.